I need to talk to Igbos, generally Igbo nation, whether you are in South-South or in Southeast, I need to talk to you. Whether you are a governor of Southeast or you're governor in the South-South, I need to talk to you. You see, so far so good, I have come to discover that while other people, Yorubas, Hausas, Middle Belt and the rest of them are making moves to protect themselves over the invasion, the very clear invasion of the Fulanese jihadists in this part of the country, our people are just docile. Our people are just there doing nothing. Nobody is saying anything about our security until it happens to our people before we start running helter-skelter. Now, I have come to also, I've been thinking about the security of Igbo, because as an Ikure man, I'm an Igbo man, okay? And if there is any form of security, we should think of how to secure our people. Now, what am I saying in essence? I've looked at all the various patterns that is going on within the Southeast and South-South. I've noticed that Ebubagu, they call Ebubagu, will not save our people. Our people don't even trust Ebubagu. Igbo does not trust that name, Ebubagu, because that name has caused a lot of problems. People don't see it as a security that is in favor of our people or that can protect our people. So Ebubagu, even if Ebubagu is doing well today, Ebubagu can never be trusted by Igbo. So for that reason, I think we should discard anything Ebubagu. And in my own opinion, the best security network or security outfit that should be accepted by all Igbos still remains ESN. ESN stands for Eastern Security Network. I think the Igbo nation should adopt it. I'm calling on Igbo, especially the governors, to put aside every form of pain or anything that is causing them not to accept that name is ESN. ESN should be adopted. ESN should be adopted. I'm calling on Southeast governors, adopt that ESN, because right now, Igbo nation is porous. Nowhere, all the borders, everywhere is porous. Nobody is protecting our people. It is wrong to do things at the dying minute, not when these people begin to kill people. That is when you start running helter-skelter. At that point, you don't even know what to do again. At that point, you cannot even do things well again. This is the best time to come together. The 5 Eastern State governors, of course, Delta State and River State, should come together to see how they can form a security network. And I think the best security network to adopt, since it is already in existence, it should be ESN, because, of course, ESN, I have my own reservations for IPOB. I do not like some of the things they are doing. Of course, even though I know very well that they are not the ones responsible for the insecurity in the Southeast. Everything you see today labeled against them is false. It's false. ESN or IPOB is not responsible for all those things. These are all purported plans, narrative played to destroy that good name IPOB, which I'm quite aware. Even at that, I have a little bit reservation over some of the activities, which I do not like. They are not strategic. That's one put aside, is zero. But then, let's put aside every of our differences at this point as Igbo nation, and let's call for a meeting. Let there be a meeting of stakeholders, and let them have adopt a security outfit. Even if you do not want to have ESN, come up with a security outfit that is well accepted by all stakeholders, all the extractions within Igbo nation. Have a meeting and let there be a security network. But if you ask me, I will tell you we should continue with ESN, but then we should modify it. But let it remain ESN. Nothing is wrong with ESN. ESN did not kill anybody. ESN did not. They went on to protect our people, even though we had some bad eggs. That, of course, this is just an accusation. It's an accusation. It is not a true reflection of what is happening within the ESN. I don't think they did any of that. But they labeled, when you want to give a dog a bad name, you began to destroy him. You began to look for something, giving him a bad name and all that. So that is exactly what they did to ESN. Igbo, rise now. The governors of Southeast, if you know, please send this message to them. Put aside every difference and let's see how we can have a a security outfit that will protect Igbo now that they have not come to invade our people or overrun us overnight. So now is the time for us to start planning. We cannot keep quiet while other people are planning. You have Omotekon, the Yoruba people, you have several other people are planning seriously. And now you want to keep quiet. That is not the best way. So I'm calling on our people to rise up and form a security network, or we adopt that ESN, because that's, if you ask me, I would say let's go with ESN, and then let us modify it and make it more adoptable for all. Nobody should say let's leave all those differences and look at how we can protect the Igbo nation, because what is coming, some of you do not even know. Some of our brothers are business oriented, they don't even go online, they don't know what is going on. They are not even privy to what is going on, even newspaper or news. So I am calling now those of you who can help to, share this information, share it to the appropriate office. Let the Eastern Region government, comprising the 5 Eastern government and Delta State and of course River State, come together and let's have a security outfit that can protect our people. That's just what I'm going to say. And this must be devoid of any form of religious undertone.